So thank you, Mr. Verbic, to invite me to Slovenia. I'm here to explore possible ways in some Slovenian cases that might have international aspects. One of them is the share support case in Slovenia. My name is Erik Breiteneder. I'm an attorney from Austria, based in Vienna, but I'm working a lot in international cases, mainly in the Netherlands and in Germany. I am a lawyer with the specialization in capital market law, but also in international litigation and in European collective redress. I'm very glad to have VCMD as a partner, since it is important that those foundations I'm representing have strong support with non-profit organizations, especially from the investor associations, but as well as industries like, for example, transportation industry. We had today a very fruitful discussion with a member from the Slovenian transportation industry, where we discussed the possibility to join an endeavor which is acting in the interest of truck owners. I'm sure you all heard about the truck cartel, which the European Commission issued a press release and a sentence, an exceptionary sentence in European sense of 2.8 billion euros that the producers of 5 truck companies have to pay. Besides the fee, there is also damage that occurred to truck owners. And this is something where a lot of my feeling is not every owner of truck is aware of this chance that he could recover about 5,000 to 10,000 euros per truck, which is affected by the cartel. So what I further want to highlight is that I'm coordinator of the IFLN, which is the International Financial Litigation Network. It is a network of plaintiff law firms within the European Unions, but also with strong bonds to American and Canadian law firms. I think it is necessary to bundle the forces on the plaintiff side to act in the interest of victims of some financial scandals. In this perspective, I'm visiting Ljubljana to explore possibilities for victims of subordinary bond holders in Slovenia. I heard about that case quite some time ago. I'm watching it closely, how it develops, also what the Constitutional Court issued now on decisions lately. And I think there might be an opportunity also to act in this case outside of the borders of Slovenia. This might be a very interesting game changer in the interest of those who suffered significant losses and whose invested money in bonds were totally wiped out. I think this is unacceptable, and together with other law firms, we are actively looking for an alternative to help those people. The VCMD is a very long-term partner in cases like, for example, the Volkswagen investors case, where my office is a counsel of a Dutch foundation. It's called Stichting Volkswagen Investors Claim. The original idea to invite me to Slovenia, and I'm very excited about this opportunity as well, is the share support, which seems to be critical, and a lack of possibilities for especially small-scale investors in Slovenia. I think I see an opportunity to maybe move an escrow account to another European member state and offer an equal possibility that VCMD offered for its members in the past. Although I do not think that this is the best scenario for the Slovenian economy, but it might be the best scenario for small-scale investors if Slovenia is cutting such a way of holding securities. All this is going to be discussed in those 2 days where I'm visiting Slovenia and Ljubljana and meeting a lot of interesting people.